right, everyone, we have a treat for you today, an air conditioning unit. Now, it's probably hot where you're at, considering it's summer, but even if it's not, it's always a good time to chill out and enjoy something amazing. I get to see what's inside here, and this is probably going to be one of the biggest unboxings I've ever done, so I'm really excited. Using this. So first we have the hose. These two are tough. All right, boom. That was a big boy right there. Tapey tape here. And this right here. Clay-like substance. Okay. Then. All right. Mission the inside here. How this looks. Our hoses as well. And you know I'm not right here, the indoor outdoor unit, so you can see that. Plus we got some batteries. Is how to unbox all this stuff, what you get with it. Now the fun part is going to be the installation. And we have the hoses here. So the hose is like this. So here we're adjusting the sides here for CostWay. I have the wrench here, and we're just making small adjustments. Here we have our hose. So what I'm going to do is just adjust this with the tape here so we can tape up the hose. And I'm going to cut little bite-sized pieces all across here so I can lay this down. All right, so we're taking a look at the unit here. Gonna get the screws in. I'm going to take off the panel here, just screw that in here. I'm going to lift up the unit. I'm going to adjust the hoses here, pull that through. I want to make sure that we have everything. I'm going to go ahead and get the connection pipe right here. Sure that goes all the way through. All right, so we got everything screwed in here. Add the tab over here. Screw that in. Now everything's done. I'm just going to put this tab over this and screw that in as well. Then we'll put this tab over that. And put the screw in here. I'm going to close up the unit here. Now we're going to unroll the hose. Just going to take a couple of jabs there, pull that through, pull that hose through, wrap it up with some tape here. Pull that over. Now we're going to get the connection pipe through. Just going to do that with a wrench. Pull those over, and then just going to screw that in. Then I'm going to put the hose through. I'm going to do the outdoor. So we're just going to go through here. I'm going to make sure that I get everything through here that I just previously set up. And what I'm going to do, pull that through, screw that down. Now I got everything here set up. And I'm just going to screw that in. I'm going to tighten that with a wrench. We're almost there. Got everything set up. Now we just need to do the outdoor unit with a connection pipe. Get that, screw that in there, tighten that with a wrench, tighten that, and we're good to go. Now we can see our unit up here. And this is how I got it set up. See the temperature and everything. And I can go ahead and adjust it if I want. And that's how simple it was to get set up with some of the steps. It does take a little bit of work, but definitely just being patient with it, you can set it up without an HVAC professional.